When it comes to choosing a healthy diet, there are many options available, ranging from low-carbohydrate diets to low-fat diets to the increasingly popular Mediterranean diet. With so many choices, it can be challenging to determine which diet is the most effective for weight loss and overall health. In this article, we'll explore how the Mediterranean diet compares to other diets and what makes it stand out as a potentially superior option. How does the Mediterranean diet compare to other diets? The Mediterranean diet is more effective for long-term weight loss and improving overall health than other popular diets, such as the low-carbohydrate diet, the low-fat diet, and the DASH diet. This is due to the high consumption of plant-based foods, healthy fats, and moderate consumption of animal-based foods, as well as the emphasis on flavorful herbs and spices. We have created this video to ensure you better understand the differences between the Mediterranean diet and other diets. How does the Mediterranean diet compare to other diets? The Mediterranean diet has become increasingly popular in recent years due to its association with numerous health benefits, including reducing the risk of heart disease, improving brain function, and promoting weight loss. But how does the Mediterranean diet compare to other diets in terms of its effectiveness for weight loss and overall health benefits? Comparing the Mediterranean diet to other popular diets. The Mediterranean diet has been compared to several other popular diets, including the low-carbohydrate, low-fat, and DASH dietary approaches to stop hypertension diet. Low-carbohydrate diet. The low-carbohydrate diet is a high-protein, high-fat, and low-carbohydrate eating pattern that has been popularized in recent years. This diet aims to reduce carbohydrate intake to less than 50 grams per day, which forces the body to use stored fat as energy, leading to weight loss. However, the low-carbohydrate diet has been associated with several health risks, including an increased risk of heart disease, kidney damage, and digestive issues. When compared to the Mediterranean diet, the low-carbohydrate diet is less effective for long-term weight loss and weight management. A study published in the New England Journal of Medicine found that people who followed the Mediterranean diet had greater weight loss and greater improvement in cardiovascular risk factors compared to those who followed a low-carbohydrate diet. Low-fat diet. The low-fat diet is a diet that aims to reduce fat intake to less than 30% of daily calorie intake. This diet has been promoted for its ability to reduce the risk of heart disease but has been found to be less effective for weight loss than other diets. When compared to the Mediterranean diet, the low-fat diet has been found to be less effective for weight loss and weight management. A study published in the Annals of Internal Medicine found that people who followed the Mediterranean diet had greater weight loss and greater improvement in cardiovascular risk factors compared to those who followed a low-fat diet. DASH diet. The DASH diet is a diet that aims to reduce high blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. It is based on a high consumption of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and low-fat dairy, and limiting the intake of saturated fats, red meats, and sweets. While the DASH diet has been found to be effective in reducing blood pressure and improving heart health, it has been found to be less effective for weight loss than the Mediterranean diet. A study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association found that people who followed the Mediterranean diet had greater weight loss and greater improvement in cardiovascular risk factors compared to those who followed the DASH diet. Why is the Mediterranean diet effective? The Mediterranean diet has been found to be effective for weight loss and improving overall health due to several factors. High consumption of plant-based foods. The Mediterranean diet is rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and nuts, which are all high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. These foods help promote feelings of fullness, reduce the risk of overeating, and provide essential nutrients for overall health. Healthy fats. The Mediterranean diet is based on the consumption of healthy fats, such as those found in olive oil, nuts, and fatty fish. These fats have been found to improve heart health, reduce inflammation, and improve cognitive function. Moderate consumption of animal-based foods. While the Mediterranean diet is primarily plant-based, it also includes moderate consumption of dairy, poultry, and fish. These foods provide essential nutrients, such as protein and omega-3 fatty acids, while limiting the intake of red meat and processed foods. In this video, we compared the Mediterranean diet to other popular diets, including the low-carbohydrate, low-fat, and DASH diets. We found that the Mediterranean diet was more effective for long-term weight loss and improving overall health due to its high consumption of plant-based foods, healthy fats, moderate consumption of animal-based foods, and the emphasis on flavorful herbs and spices. Additionally, the Mediterranean diet has been associated with a lower risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer.